viewers, today is a special day because it snowed outside, and my babies are looking forward to going outside and having some fun in the snow. So let's
Tell
go
the
around and
camera,
get some reactions.
what do you think about the snow today?
I think it's cold and cool and awesome.
Are you looking forward to a snowball fight?
Yes.
All right. Who's the first person you're gonna throw a snowball at?
You.
You heard that, viewers. She's coming from me. Let's find out what someone else thinks. Hey, Mr. Smith, what do you think about this snow today, sir?
I think it's like really cold, but it's gonna be fun.
Are you looking forward to going outside and making a snowman or busting up somebody with a snowball?
Snowball.
Oh yeah? Who's on your hit list?
Don't say me get please not say me.
I do not know yet, but I might choose him.
Oh, Evening Justice, better look out. All right, let's go around the room and see what they're writing about. Hey, Kendall, what are you writing about?
About what we did in the snow.
Oh, okay. Hey, Maya, what are you writing about?
About the snow and throwing a snowball at Mr. Nunn and getting my
Oh,
revenge.
she doesn't know Mr. Nunn's gonna throw snowballs
I
back.
heard that.
All right, viewers. So, in a few minutes, Mr. Nunn's gonna take them out. I think going outside would be a good reason to give them some good things to write about because I want some amazing stories.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hi.
are you excited about the snow?
Yes.
What are you looking forward to doing?
I'm looking forward to touching it with my bare hands and throw it to Mr. Nunn.
Oh, okay. Now you know he's gonna throw it back, right?
But I'll move out the way.
All right. Okay, you heard it, viewers.
Mr. Nunn, pick me.
Okay, go ahead and read.
I can't wait to go outside so I can throw snowballs. I can't believe it snowed in Houston. I almost fainted in the snow. When I almost fainted in the snow, I saw a snowman. Then I screamed and ran.
So are you really excited?
Yes.
All right.
I can't
Okay,
believe
viewers.
my eyes. My mom woke me up this morning. She said it was snowing outside this morning. And I said, I don't believe you. So she picked me up, put me on her hip, took me, covered my eyes. Then when she opened my eyes, I saw a whole bunch of snow just laying there. So I got off her hip, ran outside, made a snowman, and I was so excited that I forgot that I had on my pajamas.
Did you hear that, viewers? My babies are so ready to write, but I need to put on some Christmas music just to set the tone. So let me go ahead and set the tone so I can do it up right. What was I thinking? Okay. I'm getting ready to take my babies outside to go play in the snow. But first, I need to explain to them how to make a snowman properly. All right, boys and girls, how do you think we make a snowman?
How do you think we make a snowman? Calm down. Let me pick somebody. You.
Me!
All right, how do you think you make a snowman?
So first you're gonna roll one ball of snow, and then get another two more, and then you're gonna get two sticks for the arms, a scarf around the snowman.
We don't have that kind of snow to put a hat on there, but we can stick some sticks, and you can pick up some leaves and some other stuff, or a couple of pecans to make eyes or
Does
something.
everybody know how to make
rocks.
a, well, I don't want nobody to make a snow angel. You know why? The snow is too wet, and your clothes will be soaked and wet. Okay?
I got clothes under my
No
backpack.
snow angel. First, it ain't enough snow for a snow angel. Okay? Promise me, no snow angels. Promise me, no snow angels.
No promises.
All right. Are you excited?
Yeah!
All right. Does everybody know how to make a snowball?
Yeah!
Show me with your hand making a snowball. Well, I think we need to put on our safety goggles if we're gonna throw snow at people's feet. All right. Let me get the safety goggles out, then you guys get ready to roll.
Let's
Passing out safety goggles for our children, so when we go outside for the snowball fight, nobody gets any snow in their eyes. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, viewers, I think we're ready. What we have to do is we have to sneak out of here, right, guys? Yeah. All right. Show pride. What? What? Oh, you won't need them.
You're not going, remember?
Hey, every man first!
Back up! The kids are having a great time out here throwing snowballs.
I got something for you. A little hug.
You're trying to set me up. Oh, sneaky. Oh. Okay, hands are cold.
Yeah.
Describe to the camera what's it feel like right now.
It's exciting! It's freezing!
Alright.
It's freezing. The snow is freezing.
All right, guess what? We saved the best snow for the snow. Oh!
Look, Mr. Nine!
Okay, look. Down there on the slide in the playground is the snow that we're gonna use for our snowman.
We're all gonna make a snowman.
Everybody make your own, or you can work with somebody. All right. Hey, wait. Snowman? Making a snowman? Okay, hold on. Hey, you go be with your people. Is it cold in your hands?
Yes. Not really, because I have a glove.
All right. Look, you're freezing. What's going on? What you got there, Marcel? You gonna make a snowman? Let me see your snowman. Ooh, let's check out an eating snowman. Nice. No, that's why you live in Texas. Oh, that's some good snow right there. All right, take that snow and make you a good snowman.
I can't. My hands are freezing.
Oh, okay.
No, we needed some gloves.
Oh.
We needed some gloves.
What's wrong? You're making a big one, okay.
For his head. He's gonna have a fat head.
Okay.
Oh, this isn't the head. What is this? It's a first cup. Oh, it's a father. This is his fat head.
All right. That's right, viewers. We took the kids outside for science. They get to experience the water cycle. Which part of the water cycle is this, Ethan?
The snowman.
Sleet and snow.
We are here to die.
That's right. Hey, the children are having a good hello. You missed.
3, 2, 1, fire! Let's go! 3, 2, 1, get fire!
Oh! All right. Oh, the viewers, the students made a snowman. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, got Ethan.
We should have just made it like her.
Let me see. Oh, you got at least stick in yours. Okay. Alright.
Just made it like that.
Skating G's! Let's go! Oh my goodness, the kids love the snow, viewers. Woo!
Snow coming! This is the texture of the snow. Listen, I can't feel my hands.
Can't feel your hands?
No, I have to wear gloves. When I shake out, I feel vibrations.
You feel
This was a
vibration?
great experience for us. See the water cycle. We got to make our snowmen and we got to play every man and woman for themselves. And
All right.
and our hands are free.
Alright, let's take a look at the last little snowman. Aww. What are you gonna call that? Frosty? Frosty.
Cute.
I think viewers, the kids enjoy this. What's wrong, Paris? What's wrong?
It's bad.
He burned. Let me get this. 4th grade, you have a good time throwing snowballs? Hey, simmer down now. Simmer down. Simmer down. Alright. Hey, put that outside. You can't bring a snowball inside. Frosty with milk. Good. Action. What's your, so how was going outside in the snow in Houston, Texas for the first time at school? What was it like?
It was like fun, and the hands was freezing cold, and the snow was colder than I expected. And actually, I really love the snowball fight and
Viewers, you heard it. She loved the snowman making a snowman and a big fight. Let's find out.
All right,
from
show
someone
off,
else.
Kim Ward. Talk to me. What was it like today going outside during school, being the first class outside in that real soft snow? What was it like?
It was cold. My hands are still freezing. And we were the first class. We beat the other class. We went outside. And Mr. Nunn, why you didn't even defend yourself when we were
Because
doing
I was
snowball?
videotaping.
You still have one hand. I'm so ready to write about what we did outside.
All right, Kid President, what you think about today's events?
I think today's events were very fun. The whole class got to go outside. We snuck outside. We got to make snowmans, do snowball fight, and it was called Every Man for Himself. And we had a great experience for the water cycle.
Oh,
We got to see how it feels, how cold your hands can get.
yep.
Our hands are really cold right now. Mine are freezing.
All right. Are you
So-
excited about writing?
Yep, I'm so excited. When I get through videotape, I'ma get down on my work.
Well, hey, don't wait for the tape to stop. Get going now.
Another successful learning lesson.
Today I had fun because we went outside, we played in the snow, we made snowballs, we had snowball fight, and we built snowmen, and my hands were really cold, even though I had on mittens, and we had so much fun, and now we're about to write about it.
All right, go to it.
Well, I have fun in the snow. My hands are really freezing right now. And my other two friends, they were just crying just like me. Me hugged Mr. Nunn for warmth, but your jacket wasn't cold. Your jacket was cold. And,
So overall, you enjoyed yourself, even though you were miserable with the cold.
yeah, I was kind
Look
of
at the camera.
I kind of feel sick now. I think I'm gonna get some more cocoa and take a ride home. You know, get
Well, I
some.
hope you don't get sick from that.
I mean,
all right.
I'm allergic to the cold.
All right, go ahead and write about it.
Okay, today we had really fun in the cold. When we came to school today, I really didn't expect that we was gonna go outside.
So I surprised you.
Yeah, but the most fun part, we was chucking ice balls and Mr. Nunn. And my favorite part about today was that we had fun making snowmans and stuff. And our hands was really freezing. I was crying because it was burning hotter than fire.
All right, go ahead and start writing about it.
You know what was more fun than throwing snowballs and making snowmen?
What?
We got to throw snowballs and Mr. Nunn's dirty car.
Hey, viewers, it looks like they have fun throwing snowballs at Mr. Nunn's old car. All right, the students just got through writing their snow day stories. Right now, they're doing the best part of the writing part is when they get to go share it with other students.
I told this story today when I got to school, walked upstairs with my friends. When we got in the class, we heard them say, "We are going outside." For what? We said. So we tiptoed out the door with our goggles. We had
All right,
snowball
that
fights.
ends the lesson for today. Stay tuned for the next episode from the Bird Waffle channel. Oh, wait.